Good, good evening. So this is my week 7 discussion board for Political 485 Constitutional Law 2. So first, the Senators of California is Dianne Feinstein. Probably pronouncing that wrong. Sorry about that. She has been in office since November 10th, 1982, and she's up for election in 2024. The junior, she's Democrat, as well as junior senator is also Democrat, Kamala Harris. She's up for election 2022 and has been in office since June 3rd, 2017. So this is the map that I pulled up based off where I live. The whole address is right there. California 31st Congressional District. Pete Aguilar is actually the member of Congress representative for this district. He's been serving since January 6, 2015, and it's up for election this following year. The state senator of California is Connie M. Leyva. She's part of District 20. Main office is in Sacramento, California. She has a district office in San Bernardino, which is the county I live in, and then another one in Pomona. Assembly member of California, Eloise Reyes. She's part of District 47. She's a Democrat. She serves the county of San Bernardino, and her office is also located in Sacramento, and district office in San Bernardino. These are the county board supervisors of San Bernardino: Robert A. Lovinggood, Janice Ruth Ford, Don Rowe. 1st District, 2nd District, and 3rd District supervisors. County board supervisors of San Bernardino. There's another 2. Kurt Hagman, chairman, 4th District supervisor. Josie Gonzalez, vice chair, 5th District supervisor. And lastly, these are the city council members of the city of Colton: the mayor, Frank J. Navarro, David Toro, Mayor Pro Tem District 1. The rest are just basically council members, and it says the district they belong to. Ernest R. Cisnero, District 2. Kenneth Cooperski, District 3. Dr. Luis Gonzalez, District 4. And J.R. Woods, District 5. Continuing is Isaac T. Suchil, Council Member, District 6. And then the Administrative Assistant and Management Intern. Their names are above. They didn't have a picture online. I don't really know how to pronounce the name, but the Kant is the Administrative Assistant, and Kosh C is the Management Intern. And that's the end of my slide. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.